Temba Mliswa opposed by ex-Yendo. Temba Mliswa is not a ZANU-PF member. Anias Konkonzi is a failed politician. But Pangwa Inoi, Anoya Arch order VP Kosano Chiwenga to resign. Mashoko Ashamsa Verushinji, but on what grounds? Temba Mliswa Anoya attack VP Kosano Chiwenga. Zarapida Mashoko, Anumda Toko Pangwa Inoi Komana Nozikana Konzi is being used by Ugandandas to attack VP Kosano Chiwenga. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Kozwa. Anubra Chiposta, Temba Mliswa na General Omurkono Mdonyera Chiti. Zimbabwean politician and former Norton Member of Parliament, Honorable Temba Mliswa, is posted on his X account, telling VP, retired General DG Chiwenga to resign. Mliswa accuses VP Chiwenga of attacking President Idi Mnangagwa using the Roman Catholic Church pulpit in Morewa last week. The developments are Pangwa and Gurukuno Konzi, VP Constantino Chiwenga, the story of ATAURA ya Ezekiah from the Bible. Yakanga Arima reduced Shayo. Pangwa Inoi, Yenu kwa Konziakata a direct attack on the Zimbabwean leader who was trying to extend his term by 2 more years and beyond. Julponi kwa Pangwa Inoi, his speech was just a direct attack on the president. General Temba Mliswa Oya Chiti, VP Constantino Chiwenga must resign after attacking the president. Bila comment section, videos of Gura in more to leave on Zurbe Chitko each. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.